In the light of Valentine's Day, I decided to look for something related to Valentine's Day, a book that we can make specifically for Valentine's Day. And this video is all about that book, including the interiors, where you can get it from, and everything about the book. So if you're interested in this, keep watching till the end. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with Perfect Niche episode 12. In this video, I'm going to talk about a book related to Valentine's Day because Valentine's Day is quickly approaching and we have to upload our books at least a month before time so we can give space and put time for customers to buy the book. So right now is the perfect time to start uploading books related to Valentine's Day. And talking about Valentine's Day, this book I came across it while doing my research on Flying Research, link in the description below. And it's a very simple book, yet fun, and also very filthy. So I'm gonna be talking about this niche, but the words that I'm gonna be talking about is gonna be coded because YouTube algorithm is very picky. It prefers words that are family friendly. So if I don't pronounce anything correctly, just know that I'm trying to be safe on this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into this niche. It's called Coupons for Her. You can also make a book Coupons for Him. So it's a simple book, just simple things that couples should do. It could be for a girlfriend, a lover, a fiance, anything related to couples, and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. So in the beginning of the video, I was showing you these prompts. These ones are simple, these ones are not dirty. So as compared to what I saw in this book, which is this one right here. Here is the book on Amazon. So let's take a look inside. So do a scroll. So this one's here, I can't even read it, guys. So this a coupon request. It says let me tie your hands behind your back and da. And I guess you can read it yourself. Then scroll down. This one here says today I'm your 7. I will let you da. So this one here is pretty like nasty, filthy. So you can read it yourself, guys. Play with them for 15 minutes. So this is what we have inside this book, and it has a very big warning here on the back side of the book. This coupon is only for the open-minded, you know. And yes, it is. So this is not what I usually talk on my channel, but I decided to do it because it's related to Valentine's Day and couples want to spice their relationships, and this book is the best way to do that. Let's take a look at the ratings. Open-minded only, people are loving this. Actually, what I like to look at is the 1 star. What is it they are doing that people are not liking? You can capitalize on it and make it to your advantage, solve the problem that customers are complaining about, and you can definitely get the population on your book, and they're going to purchase it because you have solved that problem. So this one says mostly this book is about giving a man through the dad, but nothing really good. I'm sure this person is not open-minded, and the book specifically said you should be open-minded. And not very exciting. They are kind of boring, definitely a letdown. This one says product arrived and was sticky on the cover part. Okay, this one is related to the product arriving not well, but everything related to the book itself is just right here, and people do not uh, like the content, I guess. Let's look at the 2-star ratings. Nothing. All right. So apart from those 2 ratings I said it's kind of boring, I'm guessing they are not open-minded. So that was it for the reviews. Let's take a look at The interior are found on Creative Fabrica. If you're interested in taking a look at Creative Fabrica, there's a link down in the description below. You can start for $1 if you're interested. And coming here on Creative Fabrica, I found this interior and it says lovers coupon book for her. So this one is specifically for her. You can make another one that is for him if you're interested. And it's 50 pages, 6 by 9 inches, 72 coupons. So you can make one coupon per book, or you can skip one page and you do like you put one page then you skip one page, but you could just do one coupon per page. That should make your pages easy, like easy to count, and give you a higher profit. Because if your book numbers are small, you have a higher profit depending on your price. So let's see, it's available as a PDF. I think, yeah, just a PDF. It's available as just a PDF. But if you want to make your own unique interior, like I showed you in the beginning of the video, you can make use of these prompts that I got, that I researched and got these prompts. You can do breakfast in bed, foot massage. I mean, on individual voucher or coupon, you can do candlelight dinner, striptease, wild card, and I think it should be good. So guys, I decided to do a search for Valentine's Day coupon on Canva. Canva has a ton of templates for everyone, and some are free, some are paid. So in this video, I'm going to do free templates in case you want to make your own unique template, because on Creative Fabrica, it's just one sex coupon. Oh my goodness. It's just one coupon that I found related to the Valentine's Day. So I decided to do a search on Canva to find if I could make a unique template, because we're gonna put all these templates inside, all these prompts. We're gonna put all these prompts inside. So if you want to make yours, this is what I'm trying to show you. And let's take a look at this one. This one is all red and white, like a Valentine's Day theme. So we could, let me take a look at the other ones and see if I want to use the first one. So this one is quite cute. It's paid. You know what, I'll just go with the first one. Special offer, we can leave special offer and we can say breakfast in bed, and we can change this to RSVP, répondez s'il vous plaît. It's in French, and let's take out that. So this looks good to me. I think we should make this bigger, and I think this looks good to me, guys. What are your thoughts about this? I just edited this template, and instead of special offer, let's change this to love request. A love coupon. Yeah, love coupon, breakfast in bed. Répondez s'il vous plaît. What do you guys think about this? Let's make this bigger. Love coupon, breakfast in bed. So you can edit it any way you want. It's really up to you. This is just how I feel about this. Yep. So this is basically how I edited it. Very simple. If you want to add another page, maybe if you want to make interior, you could make, for example, if you want to do a 6 by 9 inch book, you can come here to the main page Go here to create a design, create the inches, that's custom size, the inches, in inches, then width is 6 by 9, create a new design. You can just copy this, select all, copy it, and paste here. So if it's a 6 by 9 inch book like this, it has to be different. So just have to increase this again. This one too, increase it. But you have to be careful not to put it at the margins because uh, you're gonna have a problem uploading it. Actually, I want this in cursive. Maybe this one. Um, maybe we'll just leave it like that. And we'll have this one, breakfast in bed. Actually, I want this to be in red. Let's change this to red. This one. Wait, this one. Yep, this rhymes with this. Let's change the rest to black. Yeah, I think this looks better, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. Okay, so here's a coupon, breakfast in bed. Then if you want page 2, if you want to make another page, because we're doing 6 by 9 inches, so all you need to do is to hit this. It's going to duplicate the page, and we can change this to foot massage. Number 2, foot massage. You know what, let me reduce this space. It doesn't look good like this. So come here to letter spacing, reduce it. Not letter spacing, line spacing. Reduce that a little bit to rhyme with this one. So we'll have to increase that a little bit, but leave some space for the margin at the side for the margin. Then scroll back up and do the same right here. There you go. So foot massage. Okay, number 3, page 3, back rub. Back rub. All right, guys, so that's basically how you're going to do it for all of these 20 prompts. If you want to add yours, your own unique one that you think is better than these other ones right here, or if you do more research and you think there are other ones out there that are better than these ones right here, you can do it. And you can make 100 pages. If you want to make more, that's up to you. If you want to make just 50, it's really up to you. And once you're done, just hit download and make sure you download it as a PDF. Instead of PNG, go to PDF, multi-page document, download all the pages. First one, all the pages, and we're gonna click download. So here's our book. We have page 1 is a love coupon, breakfast in bed. Page 2, love coupon, foot massage. Page 3, love coupon, back rub. So guys, I'm really liking this. Let me know what you think about this. It's related to Valentine's Day theme, and I decided to do a search on Canva because they have tons and tons of templates, very unique templates. Although I found this one on Creative Fabrica, but I know tons of people have already downloaded this. So if you want to make yours a unique one, you could do yours like this, or maybe even do something entirely different. So if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and if you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first one notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.